All right, so check this out. Recently at work, we had a refrigerator that we used to put water in, hold water bottles for customers, and it quit working. They were going to throw it out, so I decided to take it home, see if I could fix it. And what I found was this circuit board in there that had power coming into it, but no power coming out. So I took it apart, and I've got a little bit of experience with soldering and such and some electronics, and I get to looking at it and I see this capacitor here. This fuse is good. This relay, I don't know if it works or not, but I can see that this capacitor here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it looks kind of exploded, and that's kind of how you know they go bad. That one there doesn't look exploded. That one there looks flat and level. This one here looks like it's kind of bulged out. So I ordered some capacitor. Had to get like 10 of them, I think, of the same values. And of course I can't get it open, but anyway, these are what they are. And I ordered them off of Amazon, and I figured, since I do have some experience working with run capacitors on air conditioning units, I thought maybe this might be the run capacitor, and I'm wondering if this might fix the refrigerator. So I'm gonna solder in one of these new ones with my soldering gun here and see if we can't fix this refrigerator. So I'll let you know how that goes. Okay, so this capacitor here, right there, is soldered in on these 2 points right there and there. I'm going to try to unsolder it and solder in this new one. Now there's some sort of like covering over this, like they coat it with something. I'm not sure what that stuff is, but I'm gonna try and see if I can't make it work. Okay, so here's my new capacitor. I'm going to tin the leads on it with my OD solder paste, world known, and then I've got some silver solder here, and we're going to see if we can try to put this right about there. Obviously, since I need 2 hands to do this, I'm not going to be able to record this process, but you can see that the old capacitor came out pretty easy. It's right there, and I'll come back and we'll see what happens. Okay, here you can see the new capacitor is in, flat and level. Hopefully those are some good solders, not cold solders. I think they're alright. I'm going to trim this off and then bring it down to the refrigerator, plug it all back in, and we'll see what happens. Okay, here's the fridge. Just used to hold bottles of water, keep them chilled for customers. It was a Tramontina. And here's the back of it. And up underneath here is where this circuit board goes in. And so we're going to install it and see what happens. Alright, so I plugged it in and it beeped, but it didn't come on. But then I remembered that I still have these two guys here to plug in, three guys actually. So I'm going to plug those in and then I'll re-plug the power plug back in. Alright, it's probably hard to see, but I plugged in that guy there, and I plugged in that guy there, and that guy right there. So now let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, beeped again. Looks like we've got 63 degrees, which is about temperature out here right now. So let's see if it works. Something's coming on. Something's working. Something's definitely working. Making noise. I'll report back in an hour. We'll see if that temperature drops down to about 35 degrees or so. Alright, it's been running here for about an hour. I put the circuit board box up there and little electrical cover on. And let's see what we got. "35 degrees" it says. Good sign. Oh yeah, nice and cold in there. I'm going to say it's done. Thanks for tuning in to Wrench and Reels TV. See you next time.